I guess so. I'm gonna open the next box here. This one is a FedEx box. So let's see what I can do here. Like I mentioned before, I love to open new stuff. Let's see what this is. What do we got here? What we got here? Okay, that's the box. So, ooh, look at that! I got a nice shirt here, double XL, Alpha-GEO. So this is from Alpha-GEO here. Okay, thank you very much. But this is the what we wanted to look. This is apparently the smallest IMU GNSS receiver from Alpha-GEO. Check it out. Okay, it looks small since it's the little box. Okay, we got the box. In the box we got the receiver itself. Look how tiny that thing is. Wow, huh? That's a crazy. It's obviously Bluetooth, CA certified, everything. Horizontal 8, vertical 15. Then we got the cable, USB-C and USB with the little beautiful little charger. Nice. And what is this? This is this is a converter from so since this is so small, it has a small into a regular, I assume regular survey pogo. Beautiful. So very easy. Be nice to have some kind of quick attach, but hey, we'll figure that one out. Okay, so this little receiver packs in the full constellation tracking. So 1408. It's a cold start in less than 30 seconds. Oh, there is a little USB port here for charging. Then we have lithium battery built in, of course, type C. Bluetooth version 4, it's dust proof and waterproof, IP65 and IP76. Should survive a drop from 2 meters. Obviously operating temperature -20 to 75. Storage is -40 to 85, so in -40 like was the other day, who knows if it was. One power button on the side here, there is a power button, and then we have the light indicator, so the battery, Bluetooth, data and satellite. And overall this is dimension as 118, 52, 36 and weighing 170 grams. I'm gonna actually test that. So that's pretty neat. Can't wait to take it out for a spin here within next day or two. So stay tuned.